Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all items. You will need a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver for this task. Ensure you have enough space to work comfortably. This simple maintenance can greatly improve your vehicle's air quality and HVAC performance, making your drives more pleasant. Now, gently disconnect the dampener string on the right side of the glove box. Then, carefully press inward on the tabs located on both sides of the glove box. This action will allow the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the filter housing. You'll see a rectangular cover, which is where your old filter resides. With the housing exposed, unclip the two retaining clips on the cover and remove it. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter, paying close attention to the direction of the airflow arrow. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points downwards, just like the old one. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover and snap its clips securely. Next, push the glove box back up until the side tabs engage and hold it firmly. Finally, reconnect the dampener string to the right side of the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Enjoy cleaner air.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.